Thanks for joining me for this demo and showcase for PNTA's stocked dance floor surfaces from Rosco. My name is Russell Matthews. I work at PNTA coordinating our dance floor partnership with Rosco Laboratories. Today we're showing off 3 versatile and durable dance floor surfaces carried in stock at PNTA. These floors can be used for everything from a personal dance practice mat all the way up to being used in a full-size dance studio or performance space. The 3 we stock are available for pickup in our Seattle store today. We can also ship them and the rest of Rosco's products anywhere in the US. Just give us a call, send us an email. We'll be here to help. The 3 floors that we carry in store are all 63-inch long rolls, and the 3 we carry can be easily cut with a straight razor. Any sharp blade is going to do to cut the material. Just make sure you use a straight edge to get the right cut. You can only cut once. You roll out the dance floor into your space, then let it acclimate to the room's temperature. This will take about 24 hours. It can go a little bit longer. This is called relaxing the floor. That's going to make sure that the temperature of your floor and your room are the same, so it will lay flat for you. Once that floor is flat, just tape it down along the seams and you're ready to go. For more permanent installations, you can install double-sided tape on the underside of each edge. That's going to make sure that that floor is not going anywhere. And now that you know a bit more about how to install the floor, let's take a look at the 3 floors that we've got in stock. The first floor that we're featuring is called Rosco Dance Floor. Now this is the closest one that we've got to the old style of Marley. It's reversible. It's got black on one side, gray on the other side. It's a super soft floor, but very good for soft soul dances. Something like jazz and modern are perfect for the Rosco Dance Floor. The second one we're going to show you is Rosco's flagship dance surface. This is called Adagio. It's a very versatile and durable floor. It's heavier than Rosco Dance Floor, but it can stand up to a lot more traffic. This has got a great grip, a great textured surface for using with dances like ballet, but it's also strong enough to stand up to something like tap, which makes it their most versatile floor and what we recommend for most permanent installations because you can do any sort of dance you want on this floor. The third floor is Adagio Tour. As its name suggests, it is another version of Adagio. Rosco took the great surface texture of Adagio and designed this version for use in touring productions. Adagio Tour is about half the weight and half the thickness of Adagio. It's great for temporary and semi-permanent installations. If you need to move your dance floor a lot, this is the type of floor that you're going to want to use. And that is why Adagio Tour is also featured in our new home studio dance kit. This will come with 5 to 10 feet of our Adagio Tour, which is perfect for personal dance mat to use to practice some moves. We also throw in a free roll of dance floor tape with every single order. This tape matches the color of the Marley and has a smooth texture, which makes it great for dancers' feet. And speaking of that tape, we've got a lot of accessories in stock to support your floor installation, big or small. We have lots of accessories in stock to support your floor installation, whether big or small. We carry the floor tapes in stock in black, in white, in clear, and in gray. We also carry Rosco's double-sided tape for use on the underside in those permanent installations. We've also got Rosco's floor cleaners. We've got all-purpose and heavy-duty. The all-purpose floor cleaner is one that you're going to use for regular mopping and for maintenance, while the heavy-duty you're going to use if you've got any severe marks and for annual and semi-annual deep cleans of your floor. The next product I'm going to show you is called Rosco Portabar. This is Rosco's Portabar. It's an easy-to-unpack bar and it's a great addition for studios and for home use. Comes with an easy-to-carry case and assembles in minutes. The bar will come in a 4.5 and 9-foot version and can fit any practice space. The last flooring product I want to show you is called Rosco Subfloor. This is a substitute for a sprung floor, and it can turn any space into a studio with support for a dancer's joints to keep them safe during long practice sessions. And there are a lot of cushioned floors for sale online, but that cushioning doesn't spread out the impact of the landing the same way as the subfloor. And that's because of the patented wave-lock technology and these foam pads on the bottom. So, instead of ripping out your floor to install a sprung floor, all you gotta do is attach these foam pieces to the bottom and then assemble them like a jigsaw puzzle. Ramp pieces are also available to ease your egress. You can install the subfloor as a freestanding structure in the middle of the room, or you can use customizing panels to take the installation all the way from wall to wall. Whatever you can imagine for your dance studio, you can use this subfloor to fit the design, make your dancers safer and happier. Give us a call, send us an email with the dimensions of your space, and we can get you a quote for this great product. Thanks again for joining me for this explanation of these dance floors. Remember, Adagio Tour, reversible dance floor, and all their accessories are available from PNTA's Seattle store and can ship nationally. All other Rosco dance products are available by special order, and PNTA can ship them to you directly from Rosco. If you're looking to install a new studio or you're just looking for a portable practice space, PNTA has a solution. Please reach out to us. We can get you dancing in no time.